Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I am going to be blowing out my hair with this wonderful Revair. One of those, I think I'm saying it right, I don't know. But it's a Revair. I just purchased it yesterday. I will have the link down below where you guys can purchase this. You can either go on the website or go on Amazon. I don't think that there's a discount for it right now, but it is about $400. You guys, I've been dying to give this thing a try. Like, I just knew this year I had to get it. I've watched so many videos on it, and as you guys can see, I have natural hair, and this hair requires a lot of work. So let's try to see if we can work on it by stretching it out. My hair is freshly washed. I just got out the shower, shampooed and conditioned it. I haven't put anything else on it. I do have some more water in my spray bottle just in case my hair does get dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna detangle a section of my hair and show you guys how this works. I hope this blow dryer does everything that it promises because it's $400 and it better be worth it. Every penny, okay? Let's go ahead and get started.
If I would've known, if I had picked up on your tone, yeah, we wouldn't be here. We wouldn't be laying here just staring at the wall, waiting for you to get a call. So you got a reason to leave without making a thing about it. I thought I was free of you, and now the thought of you, it makes me sick. And baby, I got it to.
Yeah, this thing is very loud. Listen to this.
Tell you the truth, I've got this empty space, and here's the thing about it. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. But baby, I blink and it's June, and I'm just sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad. In the summer, in the summer, baby, I'm so sad. So I've been here before, picking myself up from the floor. Yeah, it's not a mistake if it's happening every day. I'd rather be alone, give back his records and his clothes. Yeah, and him say, baby, I swear that I'm true.
Look at this. Y'all hating? My hair? It moves, my hair. Y'all see it?
I'm just sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad. I've been feeling like lately you might just be a craving. I know that it's wrong, but baby, don't it feel amazing? I've been feeling like lately you might just be a craving. I know that it's wrong, know that it's wrong. I've been looking for somebody new, but keeping it happy with you. Hate to admit that it's true, but I keep on believing that someone like you could pull me right out of the blue. But baby, I'm blinking it's June, and I'm just sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad in the summer. In the summer, baby, I'm so sad.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present.
Alright, so you guys, I am finally done with half my hair. It does feel like it took a long time, but I mean, of course it dried faster than the average dryer, but this thing is heavy. It's heavy, and my arms got tired. This got some weight on it, especially if you got your arms in the air. I do like the results. It does dry my hair faster than the average dryer. I normally take a good hour or two to dry my hair on a regular day, and this is a day where I have time to do my hair. I don't like blow drying my hair. I hate it. It's a long process. As you guys can tell the difference, it did stretch my hair out pretty good. Like my shrinkage, y'all, is definitely real. It's real. I'm gonna go ahead and finish drying the rest of my hair, and I'll see you guys when I'm done.
Won't you let me in? So we can get back on the same page. Well, tonight I wanna stay. Yeah, why don't you just talk to me? 'Cause when you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, talk.
Alright, you guys, so I'm done. And like I told you guys, it still took forever for me to do, but it did get my hair pretty stretched. I am natural, so my hair did revert just a little bit. It shrunk, mainly on this side because that's the side that I left alone. Is it worth $400? Maybe they could have cut the price down to $200. $400 is kind of pricey for this. I would understand if it flat ironed my hair as well, if it got my hair real flat. For $400, I don't know. But I am kind of shocked at the results. This did pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions about the Revair, know down below in my comment section. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out.
And like and hit that bell. Peace out.